Hi there, everyone. So, in regards to using ergogenic supplements such as caffeine, studies have actually found that caffeine can benefit athletic performance, specifically in regards to lower body strength. Caffeine ingestion can enhance lower body strength performance by nearly 3%. It can also prolong the time till exhaustion and increase sprint speeds. Um, Caffeine can also improve athletic performance in basketball players like yourselves by increasing your neurocognitive abilities. It can enhance your alertness and your reaction time and help you make those kind of snap strategic movements on the court. Caffeine can also decrease the perception of pain and fatigue, which allows you to exert more effort, and it gives you that added boost of output during play. In addition, caffeine can increase glycogen resynthesis, which aids in muscle recovery and in the ingestion and utilization of carbohydrates during play. So those are all the benefits of using caffeine as a collegiate athlete like yourselves. Some of the negative side effects of caffeine consumption include gastrointestinal distress, anxiety, and insomnia, and especially in athletes who are new to caffeine. So if you've never used caffeine as a supplement to boost your athletic performance, you could experience more side effects and higher levels of those side effects. So the long-term negative effects on sleeping patterns. So as I said, caffeine can cause insomnia, and for a long period of time, if you suffer from insomnia, you will have a decline in your athletic performance because you're being deprived of adequate rest. So that's one thing to consider. In addition, athletes with a high risk or with a history of anxiety, caffeine, is going to exaggerate that. So when you're feeling anxious or caffeine is a known trigger, that's maybe something you want to avoid. Um, when taking a multi-ingredient pre-workout caffeine supplement, it is recommended, that you know exactly what you're getting. So like from a trusted source, um, like a supplement that discloses all the ingredients and the amounts of those specific ingredients. Because some multi-ingredient pre-workout supplements contain caffeine, but they also contain banned substances, which can increase dangers to athletes, such as skin reactions, heart abnormalities, nausea, seizures, and things like that. So that's something that you want to be aware of when choosing a pre-workout caffeine supplement as well. Caffeine as an ergogenic aid can be consumed in capsules, pills, energy drinks, sports drinks, commercial drinks with added caffeine, chewing gum, or coffee. And the current guidelines recommend the ingestion of a low to moderate dose of caffeine, ranging from 3 to 6 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. And the best time to do that for sports performance is about 60 minutes before exercise to really reap the benefits. That's when the body has digested it and when you're going to get the most out of it. So again, 3 to 6 milligrams per kilogram of body weight about 60 minutes before the athletic event. And with that said, higher doses of caffeine, or those exceeding 9 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, will not improve your physical performance. So you want to stay at the recommended level. And actually, the NCAA categorizes caffeine as a banned substance if the urinary caffeine concentration exceeds 15 micrograms per milliliter. So by sticking with the recommended level, you will be well under that banned level or that restricted level of caffeine. So overall, caffeine is a well-studied, widely used supplement for trained athletes looking to increase their exercise capacity and athletic performance. When medically tolerated, like you don't have any medical contraindications or any interactions with medications. Caffeine is a supplement that is beneficial for high intensity exercises, including team sports like basketball that involve intermittent sprinting, jumping, um, that lower leg strength, sharp cognitive functioning where you have to make quick, decisive movements on the court. So, as long as you do not exceed the recommended amount, caffeine can be a safe way to increase your athletic performance, lower body strength, and increase or improve your overall decision making skills over the course of a basketball game. So, thank you.